To create a bounce effect, just like you saw in the intro, put each word of your text on a separate track. I have 8 words, so I use 8 tracks. After setting up your text, select the first word and go to the Effects Controls panel and add a keyframe for scale effect at the start. Press Shift plus right arrow to move 5 frames forward and add a keyframe. Repeat to add another keyframe. Return to the first frame and set the scale to 1500. Then change the second keyframe to 94. Leave the scale at 100 for the third keyframe. Then go back to the start and see how it looks. From the Effect Controls panel, copy the vector motion values and paste them to all other text layers. This saves time and keeps the values consistent. Now I will add the blur effect for a more authentic look. Go to the Effects panel and type Blur in the search box. And add Direction Blur to the text layer by double-clicking the left mouse button. Now under Directional Blur, change the direction value to 33. Add a keyframe for the blur length and change the value to 12. Now move forward to the third keyframe and revert the blur length value to 0. Copy the directional blur values from the Effect Controls panel and paste into the other text layers. To complete the final look, overlap the text layers so each word appears before the previous one disappears. Go to the very end of the first text layer and move 3 frames back and drag the second text layer to the playhead. Repeat the process for remaining text layers. You have successfully created the bounce in text effect. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.